Hey guys, so welcome back to part 2 of my video where I'm going to show you guys how to melt down, use and apply the results, all that good stuff of the Ayurvedic gloss bars that I would have made in last week's video. So if you guys would like to see that, then definitely keep on watching. So I have already set up here my little ratchet makeshift double boiler. Do not judge me. So I am going to take my Ayurvedic gloss bar and I'm gonna put maybe 2 in there for the length and thickness of my hair. If you have longer hair than mine, you're gonna want to take something that is, or you're gonna want to take more of them, use more of the gloss bars to saturate all of your hair. But to me, this is just a gloss, which means you're gonna mix it in with another conditioner and just really like up the benefits of your regular conditioner. But if you're gonna use this as a straight mask, obviously you're gonna need more than 2 bars. But basically, I am just going to leave them in my double boiler situation here, let them sit, let them kind of melt, do its thing. I've seen online they say don't put it in the microwave because it might kill the benefits. I'm not 100% sure on that, so don't quote me, but that's just what they say. So just to be on the safe side, double boiler it up. Now, I don't know if you guys could see this, maybe you can, or I'll probably zoom in post, but you could already see it hasn't really been 2 minutes and the gloss bars are already melting. So this isn't going to take long at all. So we're just gonna wait a few more minutes and let it do its thing. Alright guys, so there we have it. Our Ayurvedic gloss bars are all the way melted and it is a little on the thick side, so I would just go ahead and add a little bit of water just to loosen everything up and get it back to like the consistency that it was previously, because remember it was in the fridge, so it would have been a little dehydrated. So go ahead and just add some more water back in there and there you go. So now we're going to go ahead and add our conditioner to this lovely mixture. So at this point, you want to go ahead and add your favorite deep conditioner to the Ayurvedic gloss bars that we already have melted down here. You guys already know my favorite deep conditioner is the Curl Crunching Deep Moisture Mask from Carol's Daughter. So I'm going in with about 2 tablespoons of my favorite conditioner. Make sure you get all of that off the spoon. We do not waste products over here. And you just want to go ahead and mix that in. And you want to mix it till it's nice and creamy and has a cake batter consistency again. Now I personally think it's a bit on the thick side, so I am just going to add a tiny bit more water. And you could kind of just eyeball this depending on your preference. But I like my deep conditioners to be a little more loose. So there we go. We have a really nice texture to work with, still as creamy and as lovely as before. A beautiful conditioner. Let me show you guys the texture up close real quick. A beautiful conditioner, so smooth, so creamy. This is just amazing. Hey guys, so here I am, fresh out of the shower, just done shampooing my hair. This is what my hair is looking like. Freshly shampooed, ready for my conditioner. Speaking of conditioner, here we have it, the conditioner, Ayurvedic conditioner that we mixed up previously. So I'm just gonna go ahead. You guys have seen me apply Ayurvedic conditioners countless times. All you wanna see is the end result, so I'll be back. Hey guys, so it literally took me 5 minutes to apply this conditioner all throughout my hair. Let me tell you, straight off the jump, this conditioner has so much slip And I told you guys in previous video last week that I absolutely love marshmallow root for that particular property. It makes your hair feel so soft and luxurious. Like, this Carol's Daughter deep conditioner is my favorite, but on the slip front it isn't like on 100. It has moisture, but it's because it's so thick it isn't very slippery, but combined with the marshmallow root, like, my hands are literally just gliding through my hair. Like, my hair looks so good. So good. And it feels so moisturized. Like, it feels really hydrated, guys. Like, I cannot stress that enough. Like, my hair feels really hydrated. It feels so soft. It feels everything. And actually, I did this treatment on my hair before. This is the second time using this Ayurvedic gloss bar. And I honestly wish I had filmed it the first time so you guys could have gotten like my initial reaction. I had shared it on my Instagram story because I was shook. But oh my word. It is amazing. Like, let me come closer so you guys could see. These are what my curls are looking like. Yeah, look at those curls. Like, what? So good. So defined, so soft. Love it. So yeah, I am just going to put my hair under a plastic cap and probably let this sit for an hour. I like to deep condition for an hour. So I will be back just to give you guys my final thoughts and to basically show you what my hair looks like rinsed out. Because I know sometimes, like, you put on a conditioner and it doesn't really, like, when you rinse it off, it's like, what happened to the conditioner I had on my hair like 2 seconds ago? So I will come back just to show you guys like the true results so you guys could judge for yourself. So I'll be back in what may seem to you like 2 seconds, but for me, it's been an hour. Hey guys, so I am back out of the shower and this is what my hair is looking like. Can you even, like, can you tell how soft my hair is? Like, peep this definition. And that is definitely from the Murumuru butter. It helps reduce frizz. Like, my curls are all defined. Look at the shine on my hair. It's just so, like, it is so soft, so luxurious. It feels so good. Like, I stood in the shower for a good while because, like, it feels amazing even out of the shower. But under running water, like your hair just, it feels like butter. Like, legit, I have no other words. It feels like butter. So this is definitely something I am keeping in my regimen. Y'all can't tell me any different. Sorry, but I am in love. I am in love. So yeah, that is it, guys. Thank you so much for tuning into this video. I hope you guys found it informative, helpful, something entertaining, whatever. You just like watching hair videos. If this is the first time you're seeing my face, sis or sir, what are you doing with your life? Hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you never miss future uploads from me. Also, if you like this type of content, do hit the thumbs up button. It lets me know that you really appreciate this type of content and it really helps me out a lot. So, without further ado, I thank you guys so much for watching and I will see you in the very next video. Take care. Bye.